Spousal sponsorship timeline stories. I always check this thread since submitting my application, so I figured it might help others to see my own timeline. Inland common law sponsorship. Online application. I am German and my partner is Canadian. No children. I still had a valid medical from a previous visa application. Also, I did not have a lawyer or representative. Application submitted February 24th, 2022. Error received May 4th, 2022. Reminder to pay biometrics fee. May 26, 2022. Biometrics instructions letter. May 30th, 2022. Biometrics completed. May 30th, 2022. Pre-arrivals letter. July 1st, 2022. Eligibility completed. July 4th, 2022. Letter stating PR app approved. July 15th, 2022. Invitation to PR portal. July 26, 2022. PR portal login received. July 29th, 2022. Now waiting for my PR card.